Guys, this is Uzaifa from my YouTube channel Positive Academy. In today's video, I am going to share about how you can make a change in one's life. Now, life can be compared to one of the best things, that is sports. Both life and sport are uncertain. Anything can happen at any time. But how you behave, how you tackle that is the most important thing. Life always keeps us up. There are always ups and downs in our life. But how we respond to that plays a very important role. Let me give you an example. There was a match between India and Zimbabwe, and it was in the World Cup of 1983. And India has lost almost 5 wickets under just 170 runs. Now, there comes the man Kapil Dev, who batted amazingly for 175 runs, and the total now become 296 for 8, and in that way India have won the match. That's the spirit of one person. That's the spirit of one person which can make a difference. So are you having that spirit, that kind of power, that kind of thinking, that kind of mindset? Are you having that? If you are having that, then no one can stop you to achieve anything in your life. Anything can be possible. I can do anything. I can become anything. I have the power. Right? So are you having that power? Let me give you one another example. In cricket only. In cricket only, whenever the player plays, he gives his best, right? But certain circumstances and other things happen that put back the team. Everyone has to suffer for the performance of one person. So that's also in, you can include that in our life also. How you act will also impact to your family, friends, and your surrounding people. How you tackle that critical situation, the worst circumstances, plays a very crucial role. And for that, you need to have mindfulness. You need to be mindful of what's happening. And meditation is the only key that will help you to get mindfulness meditation, to alert, to be have self-conscious, to have higher self-awareness. That is required in today's life. I am also taking the example of the social media and other stuff that are surrounding you. Are you taking necessary step? Are you following that information which is good for you, which is suitable for you, which will be beneficial for you? Or are you just swapping the social media and just seeing all the stuff and just scrolling and just wasting your time? So it is up to you. Everything depends upon you. Your secret to happiness is you only. How you handle the situation. And once you master how to handle any situation in any circumstances, then you become your greatest version. Then you become unstoppable. Then you become limitless. Then no one can stop you. Other thing that I think or I have learned is, when you want to receive something, you need to give something. So let me give you this as an example. There was a boy who used to sing song, who's the master of singing, and he used to sing in places, and in return he earns money. So on one day, a rich person met him, and the boy also sang, and he said that I will sing the song, now please give me the money. Now the man said that you have not given me something so that I can give you money. The boy was confused. He was thinking all the day, what should I do? Why this man has told me every like this? Every person just gives me the money when I just sing, or when I just output myself, or when I just express my creativity. But why it is that for men? What is the reason? So other time also the same person met, but this time the boy along with singing gave him flower, and the man in return gave him money. So now he understood that whenever we want to receive something, we need to give something. If you are rich and if you are not generous, if you are not into charity, if you are not in serving other people, then it is very bad for you to be rich. So in order to receive anything in your life, you need to give out something. You need to give your 100%. So right now I am not after money, fame and glory, but I am giving my best. I am providing my best content to inspire you, and in return I will get my output, my stuff. How I will get that, I am not bothering, because I am trusting the universe that it will help me to achieve what I desire, to achieve what I want. But my role is to provide you the best content, the amazing content, to inspire you, to motivate you to become the greatest version. So you must also be having a motto in your life, a dream that has to be chased, that keeps you alive every day. When you wake up, you have a dream and you work for it. That must be the motto of your life. Life is a one-time opportunity. Do not waste it. Life is just full of choice. Make the correct choice. Choose wisely, live well. Life will not give you another chance. So make every day a great chance. You are having 365 days chance of this 2021. You can make a difference. I know you are capable. I know you are great. I know you are awesome. I know you are enough. And you can do it. And you can make it. And if you have made any New Year resolution, then please work for it. Not just writing a New Year resolution will help you, but working towards that. Be an action doer. Be a doer, not a thinker. There are a lot of thinkers, but they hardly do anything. But the action, the output that is received is from the doer. So be a doer. I am also a doer. I have promised you that I will make different books, and now I am having 12 books on Amazon Kindle. I have self-published all of them. Few of them are journals, and now 2 more books are coming. I will be update you on soon regarding this. I hope you are enjoying this content. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing for a regular dose of positivity. And remember, you are the co-creator of your own life. You can become whatever you want. We are the multidimensional being having human experience. So let's make this 2021 amazing year, right? Giving you peace, abundance, love. See you in the next video. Till then, bye. Peace.